Looking to upgrade your everyday carry with the latest and most practical gear? You're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down 9 of the best new EDC gear essentials for 2026, featuring innovative tools and everyday accessories that deliver convenience, reliability, and style. From the compact ThruNite Archer Mini EDC flashlight and the rugged KeyUnity KP01SW bolt-action EDC pen, to versatile backpacks, dependable knives, and premium wireless earbuds, these carefully selected items are built to make your daily routine more efficient, whether you're commuting, working, traveling, or exploring the outdoors. Number 1. Looking for a lighter that feels truly premium in hand? Meet the Douglas Oil Lighter Field L Brass. First reason: solid brass construction with a refined, vintage feel. It delivers that satisfying metal weight collectors absolutely love. Second reason: the cap and wheel mechanism is brilliantly clever. Turn the flint wheel, and the cap opens smoothly. That unique motion makes every use feel mechanical and satisfying. Third reason: compact Japanese craftsmanship built for daily carry. At just 72 millimeters, it fits easily anywhere. And weighing only 54 grams, it stays comfortable. This is not just a lighter, it is a statement. Simple cylindrical lines keep the look clean and timeless. The brass body develops character as you use it. That natural aging gives it even more charm. The bottom screw cap makes refilling quick and practical. Open it, and you will even find a spare flint. Thoughtful details like this show real craftsmanship. It comes with an English instruction manual for easy setup. The presentation box also makes gifting incredibly effortless. Perfect for smokers who want style, function, and reliability. Perfect for collectors who appreciate mechanical beauty. Perfect for craftsmanship lovers who notice every detail. If you enjoy premium everyday tools, this stands out. If you want a lighter with personality, this delivers. If you value Japanese-made quality, this is worth it. It feels classic, durable, and unmistakably well-made. Every part of it says thoughtful design, not mass production. Upgrade your carry with something better than ordinary. Choose the Douglas Field L Brass for lasting satisfaction. Tap to order now, before this premium piece disappears. Number 2. My old backpack kept digging into my shoulders every commute. By midday, my laptop, books, and charger felt unbearably heavy. Rainy days were worse, because everything inside felt completely exposed. I needed a bag that could actually keep up. Then I stumbled on this Sunwarshail Otter backpack online. The cute print instantly caught my attention and made me click. But the real game changer was the padded strap comfort. It also has a padded back for all-day support. The main compartment is roomy enough for school essentials. Books, notebooks, folders, and even my laptop fit easily. The front zip pocket keeps my small items organized. Side pockets make grabbing water or snacks super easy. I love how lightweight it feels during long days. The sturdy polyester fabric gives me confidence every single day. And yes, it handles light rain without stressing me out. The reinforced shape keeps everything looking neat, not slouched. Now my commute feels smoother, lighter, and way more stylish. I can carry it to class, travel, or work. It even works perfectly for quick weekend adventures. No more sore shoulders, messy pockets, or bulky-looking bags. This backpack solved the comfort problem immediately for me. And honestly, it made daily carrying feel effortless. If your current bag is slowing you down, why wait? Why keep struggling when a smarter backpack exists right now? Wouldn't you rather upgrade to comfort, space, and style? Grab the Otter backpack before everyone else catches on. Your shoulders, your schedule, and your style deserve better. Tap in now and make your everyday carry feel premium. Number 3. Late-night battles feel better when your phone feels secure. You clutch your PS4 controller, ready for one more win. But your phone keeps slipping, breaking the moment. NBCP magnetic phone mount changes that instantly. It hugs your DualShock 4 with a confident magnetic hold. High-grade N52H magnets keep every tap and swipe steady, so your focus stays on the game, not the setup. For iPhone 12 and newer, MagSafe snaps on beautifully. For older iPhones and Android, included rings keep compatibility. No stress, no guessing, just a perfect fit. Adjust the angle gently until the screen feels right. One locking point makes comfort simple and quick. Reduce glare, ease strain, and play longer. The padded clamp protects your phone from scratches. It holds many smartphone sizes with reassuring support. Every connection feels thoughtful, smooth, and ready. Tap, mount, and start playing in seconds. That easy setup brings more joy to every session. Whether you're at home or traveling, it stays reliable. Your games, streams, and remote play all feel more natural. No more awkward balancing or tired hands. Just a cleaner, calmer way to enjoy mobile gaming. It turns ordinary moments into personal victory moments. A small accessory, yet a big difference in comfort. For gamers who care about stability, this feels like home. For iPhone and Android users, it feels instantly welcoming. For every win, every match, every late-night escape, NBCP brings your controller and phone together with ease. Feel the comfort, trust the hold, enjoy the game. Upgrade your playtime with the mount that understands you. NBCP magnetic phone mount made for gaming moments that matter. Number 4. Ever fumble in the dark for a tiny light? I used to grab cheap flashlights that barely helped. They were dim, bulky, and always dead when needed. Then I found the ThruNite Archer Mini. It's a pocket EDC flashlight built for real life. Despite its size, it throws 405 bright lumens. That's enough for walking dogs, hiking, and emergencies. The beam stays smooth and glare-free thanks to TIR optics, so you get clear light without annoying hotspots. It also reaches up to 285 feet. That makes night checks and outdoor tasks much easier. Charging is simple with the hidden USB-C port. Just plug it in at home, work, or in the car. And with IPX8 waterproofing, rain isn't a problem. It's ready for camping, storms, and unexpected outages. The body is incredibly compact, at just 3.27 inches, and it weighs only 1.2 ounces in your pocket. Smaller than most pens, but far more useful. The dual direction clip makes carry feel effortless. Clip it to your pocket, hat, backpack, or gear. One tail switch controls high, low, and strobe instantly. Lockout mode keeps it from turning on by accident. No more drained batteries from bag or pocket mishaps. It's a great fit for mechanics, nurses, and first responders. And honestly, any everyday user will appreciate it. The aluminum alloy build feels solid and dependable, backed by 17 years of experience and a 2-year warranty. That kind of reliability brings real peace of mind. If you want a small light that truly delivers, the ThruNite Archer Mini is an easy recommendation. Grab one for yourself or gift it to someone practical. Number 5. Need a knife that works, not just looks good. Cheap folders wobble, slip, and slow you down. That's annoying when you need one tool, fast. Meet the MTECH USA folding knife, a compact EDC built for real-world use. Its 3.75-inch half-serrated blade handles more jobs. Stainless steel construction brings strength and dependable cutting power. The titanium coating adds durability and a sharp, modern look. Half-serrated edges bite through rope, cardboard, and tougher material. So daily tasks feel easier, cleaner, and quicker. Need safety while opening and closing? The liner lock keeps the blade securely in place. That means confident handling during everyday use. No shaky blade, no unnecessary hassle. The aluminum handle feels solid, balanced, and comfortable. Titanium coating gives it a sleek, tactical finish. It looks professional enough for work or outdoor carry. At just 4.5 inches closed, it stays compact. The pocket clip makes carrying simple and secure. Clip it on and forget the bulk. Need more than cutting? This knife adds utility. A built-in bottle opener handles casual everyday moments. The glass breaker adds emergency-ready versatility. One compact tool covers more situations. Before, carrying separate tools for simple tasks. After, one folding knife does the heavy lifting. Before, unreliable gear that slows you down. After, dependable performance in a clean, portable design. For EDC, tactical use, or outdoor trips, it fits. MTECH USA delivers style, strength, and everyday practicality. If you want a knife that makes sense, choose this one. Number 6. A quiet hand reaches for an ordinary pocket knife. Then the Provoke appears. sleek, black, and unexpected. Ancient karambit lines meet a futuristic folding secret. One thumb nudge, and the blade wakes instantly. The kinematic motion feels like engineered lightning. No awkward fumbling, just smooth one-handed deployment. The hawkbill blade curves with purpose and control. Premium D2 steel delivers lasting edge retention. Black titanium nitride finish adds tactical confidence. Built for hard work, not just display. Aircraft-grade 6061 aluminum keeps it strong and light. It feels solid without weighing down your carry. The ergonomic handle locks naturally into your grip. A flush pocket clip disappears against the frame. Carry stays secure, discreet, and ready for action. Designed by Joe Caswell in Newbury Park, California. Every detail looks like a bold experiment made real. The Provoke doesn't open, it erupts into motion. From package cuts to trail tasks, it stays reliable. Outdoor users will appreciate the quick, controlled access. Collectors will admire the innovation behind every line. Everyday carriers will value the compact folded profile. The blade retreats neatly when the work is done. A discreet lever returns it home with ease. Innovation, durability, and carry comfort in one design. This is more than a knife. It's kinetic engineering, a modern tool with a fearless, futuristic presence. The CRKT Provoke is built to stand out. Ready for your pocket, your collection, and your next task. Experience the Provoke. Carry innovation wherever you go. Number 7. Many people think everyday pens are all the same, but carry convenience changes how often you actually use one. I review EDC gear for daily practicality and long-term value. A great pen should disappear in carry, not add bulk. That is where the KeyUnity KP01SW stands out. Its titanium body is compact, durable, and reassuringly premium. At just 4.8 inches, it fits pockets easily. Weighing only 0.4 ounces, it stays comfortable all day. The reserved hole supports necklace, keyring, or carabiner carry. A clip is included, keeping it ready at hand. The sand-blasted finish adds grip without sacrificing its clean look. For writing, the L-shaped bolt action feels immediate and secure. One quick click, and the refill locks into place. That makes deployment fast, even during busy moments. It also doubles as a satisfying fidget mechanism. The balance is noticeable the moment you hold it. Its cylinder shape supports smooth, controlled everyday writing. This is ideal for office notes, schoolwork, and field use. Inside, it uses replaceable Schneider G2 refills. That means smoothing flow and easy future replacements. Extra fine writing performs well on most paper surfaces. Titanium alloy construction brings strength without unnecessary weight. It resists rust and handles daily carry confidently. For professionals, it feels practical rather than flashy. For EDC users, it delivers portability and reliability together. For gift buyers, it looks refined and genuinely useful. Teachers, doctors, colleagues, and friends will appreciate it. If you want one pen that works everywhere, choose this. KeyUnity KP01SW combines premium materials with real daily function. A compact titanium pen worthy of your pocket and routine. Upgrade your carry with a pen built to stay ready. Number 8. Still comparing sporty digital watches? Let's make it simple. Regular watches tell time, but miss sport-ready functions. This El Lavarado watch adds alarm, calendar, stopwatch, and dual time. That means fewer devices, faster checks, and better daily efficiency. In bright light, many displays stay readable. But in the dark, ordinary screens become hard to see. El Lavarado uses a backlight for clear night viewing. Perfect for outdoor training, late shifts, and early mornings. Some watches look stylish, yet feel stiff on the wrist. This one uses a soft silicone band for all-day comfort. The adjustable metal buckle helps achieve a secure fit. For active users, comfort matters as much as design. Many fashion watches handle rain poorly and need extra care. This model offers 5 atmospheres water resistance for everyday splashes. So light rain, sweat, and outdoor use are no problem. Just avoid underwater button presses and frequent water exposure. Cheap cases often scratch, crack, or feel lightweight. Here, the resin, glass, and PC case Improve durability. The stainless steel bottom cover adds stronger protection. The bold 50mm dial gives a clear, sporty look. Large numbers make time reading fast at a glance. For athletes, seconds count, and visibility saves time. Regular watches may lack sport timing features entirely. This one includes stopwatch and 12 to 4 hour switching. That makes it practical for training, travel, and work. Compared with basic watches, this model gives more value. Compared with bulky smartwatches, it stays simpler and tougher. If you want function, comfort, and outdoor readiness, choose this. It fits sportsmen, outdoor enthusiasts, and everyday watch buyers. El Lavaredo Men's Digital Watch delivers reliable performance with style. Upgrade your wrist now clearer, tougher, and ready to move. Number 9. Ever miss calls because the world is too loud? On trains, streets, and open offices, it happens fast. You speak up, but people still ask, "What?" That's frustrating when every call actually matters. So I tried Soundcore Liberty 5 Pro. And honestly, the difference was immediate. It's Guinness World Records, certified for speech quality. That already says a lot before you even listen. With 10 sensors and Anker's Thus AI chip, my voice stayed clear in noisy places. Even in a crowded cafe, I sounded natural. No shouting, no repeating, no awkward call moments. It also brings instant pure silence when you want it. Subway noise, office chatter, street traffic, gone. The ANC feels strong, smooth, and surprisingly fast, so your music and calls feel more focused. And the sound? Really personalized. Hear ID 5 tunes audio to your ears. That means richer detail, cleaner vocals, better balance. No generic sound here, just your kind of listening. I also loved the lag-free voice control. Skip tracks, answer calls, or change volume instantly. No delay, no tapping, no breaking your flow. For commuting and travel, that convenience is huge. Battery life keeps up too. You get hours of listening, plus quick top-ups. So they're ready from morning commute to evening return. If you want clearer calls and quieter days, Liberty 5 Pro makes everyday listening easier. Trusted by Anker, built for real-life use. I'd say this is a smart upgrade. Try Soundcore Liberty 5 Pro and hear the difference. That wraps up our list of the 9 best new EDC gear essentials for 2026. Whether you're building your first everyday carry setup or upgrading your current collection, these products offer a great balance of practicality, durability, and modern design. Let us know in the comments which item is your favorite, or if there's another must-have EDC tool you think deserves a spot on the list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gear reviews, EDC recommendations, and everyday carry guides.